Last weekend, my tractor, that's right behind me here, lost its front wheel. I filmed right after the incident, but the footage was lost, so here we go again. So what happened was, I was turning around and the front tire came outside of the ditch thing and broke loose. So it was standing on the steering spindle. And then but it was standing up. Then I moved the tractor up to like middle of the road and didn't think it was gonna tip, but it tipped. So it's laying on the side, and somewhere around there windows broke too. A bit from the tipping and a bit from me trying to get it moved. And yeah, not so fun. But so I need to remake this bit. Remake this, or rebuild this front window. Need to be replaced. You see it's totally cracked here. This wheel needs to be fixed properly. So that was the one that fell off. Mirror is fine. Okay. Dirt in here. This side window might need to be replaced. This one might need to be replaced. And we also need to clean it. But this is the worst. This here is for holding this steady, and that broke loose totally. This thing here. And that's not good. And on top of that, we also, since it's been laying on its side, it probably won't start. Lawnmowers doesn't like to lay on their side. But we will fix it. It's fixable. And hope it gives a little bit of explanation.